Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, it's about 9:15, so I'm getting this a little bit later than I wanted to, so I will be brief and to the point. We are testing the 9-day as a function of time, not really as a function of price. So what do I mean by that? It's a moving average, okay? Emphasis on the word moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's really just this bleed up area that we're dealing with now. So all of these bigger prices are starting to get shed from these bigger moves from down below. So you can see the 9-day coming up. You can see it leveling off. We took it straight down there a little bit after 8 a.m. this morning, 45.47. So right now, 45.47, here's your hourly chart. There's the test. Kind of marks the bottom of where we've tested, and that's the area that the bears are going to have to convert if they want to take some bigger moves and get down to the 45.10, 45.13. It's all there if they can get it together for more than 20 minutes. On the upside, you can see we've been fighting the hourly midband. We've been fighting weekly pivot. So, for the last few hours, you had weekly pivot and basically the 60 area go resistance. 47's gone support. So call it 47 to 57, call it 47 to 60. That zone is the zone that's going to get fought over this morning. Win that zone, you win the day. So if you're the Bulls and you win that zone, where do you go? Well, you got to get back to 45.80. I think that would open up 4,600 potentially, because if you zoom this out just a little bit, you can see we're still really consolidating, and you don't have your bandwidth here is 0.35. It's tight. It is tight. It's tight. It just is. But those are really the parameters of what we're looking at this morning as far as what's key. So volume weighted average price is locked up with weekly pivot at 56. Proprietary moving average, 55. 5-minute mids, 52. Hourly mid, we mentioned 59.5. 9-day, 47. So you've got this 10 to 12 handle chunk of price. Win that price. You win the morning and potentially the day. And if you're the bears and you can close below the 9-day, then you put yourself into a serious advantage for controlling the rest of the week. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be doing a closing wrap-up tonight because I'm very curious to see how we close, because that's going to really set up the rest of the week. So look for that. And then later tonight, around 8 p.m. Eastern, we'll do our nightly webcast for premium subscribers. And if you want to become a premium subscriber, click the link and do that. Have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.